Hey, what's up guys? Today is September 1st and today is Labor Day, and today we're gonna have a barbecue. Alright, so right now the time is 3:20ish and we're about to head to my sister-in-law's house, my brother-in-law's house, which is where we're gonna have the barbecue at. Hey dear. Hey dear cutie. Alright, now we are here at my sister-in-law's house. Alright, so I got a cheeseburger with relish and mustard and ketchup and a jalapeno and cheddar hot dog with the same. And this is my beverage of choice. Alright, right now we're about to play the Wii.
Oh, we can't get the other color? Dude, fuck off. Fuck off. Bring the burger. Shauna, get the fish. How? Park's in the middle of the road. Get the fish. What color am I? Red. You gotta spear the red fish.
Don't want to see her with a fucking.
Love you. Love you.
Alright, well now I am home and the barbecue is definitely over with. And I hope everybody had a good Labor Day, or amazing Labor Day. And thank you for watching my vlog. Bye.